Kevin here on behalf of Mr. JDM Reviewers, today showing you guys how to install T10 turn signal lights on a 93 Celica. I'll show you the package right now. Put this down. Oh, sorry about that. Put this down. Alright, so basically my kit came with just these. Just these T10s. They're wedged on the bottom, 4 LEDs on each of them, and we'll be installing them on the turn signal lights on the Celica. So let's do this. Let me position it so you guys can see. Can you see? Okay, not really, but first things first, we remove a screw right here, Phillips head screwdriver. And remove this screw really quick. Put the camera down. You set the crap. Take out this part right here. Just twist and remove. So we got this part right here. Position this. That. You guys see? Just basically take this, take it out, and put this one in. So basically it's like that when you're done. Well, you put everything back together and you're done. So this has been an episode of Mr. JDM Reviews. Thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe.